In today's video, I want to run you guys through the best training split for Pectus Excavatum. So if you want to work out to make your pectus hardly noticeable by building key muscles around the condition like the chest, like the abs, like the back, then this training split is the most optimal training split to do so. So what you want to do is train 5 days a week with weights, okay? And we want to focus and target the training towards the muscle groups that will most relate to the pectus. So thinking the chest, obviously building full sculpted pecs around the indent really helps disguise it. Then developing the abs and the oblique muscles over the rib flare will really help disguise it. And then obviously we want to do a lot of back foot posture. So they're like kind of the main target muscle groups that will require the most volume, the most emphasis you should start your workouts with. But at the same time, when you're working out, it's very important you don't just go and neglect your arms, your legs. We still want to train your entire body. Okay, so it's going to be a full body program, just with more volume and emphasis towards pectus. So I'd recommend you do 5 days a week with weights. I think that's a really good amount of training, of weight training. You can also do 6 days a week, but I think 5 days a week of weights and then 2 cardio days. 1 day is swimming, definitely mandatory. If you want the most optimal training program, that'd be it. 1 day swimming, preferably the other day swimming because it's low impact. It also works your upper body and muscles that will relate to improving your posture, helps you build a good physique, improves your fitness, which is often compromised with pectus. So we want at least 1 day swimming, 5 days a week weights, and then the other day could be a cardio day, and then you need to be stretching as well. So we're active every day, but one of the days needs to be an easy kind of active recovery day, and then the other days are going to be your proper weights. And if you really feel burnt out, that active recovery day can be a full rest day as well. Now, the way I'd structure the 5 weight training days is first day would be a pectus day. So we're hitting all the muscles that relate to pectus. So chest, back, abs, obliques, all in that one workout. Okay, and typically you want your training sessions to be about 60 to 90 minutes, depending on your experience and your time. So that's going to be the first day. The next day is a non-pectus day. So you're going to hit your legs, you're going to hit your shoulders, you're going to hit your arms, muscle groups that won't necessarily relate to improving pectus, but relate to improving an overall good physique. And having an overall good physique will help mask from the pectus as well as just for balance and symmetry and things. So that's your non-pectus day. Then you have a rest day, and then you're going to hit a pull day. So this is going to be just back and biceps. And also, by the way, I throw in abs in almost every workout for my clients because I think training the abs with a high frequency is key, and developing really strong abs, I think really helps the rib flare appearance. And I train abs really frequently and always program it for my clients. There's something about developing strong abs and obliques when it comes to improving the rib flare, something I really focused on, and it really does help. The rib flare used to annoy me more. So we're training abs in almost every session. Then the next day is going to be a push day. So we're going to hit chest, we're going to hit our shoulders, and we're going to hit our triceps. Okay, and then also sprinkle in a little bit of abs. And then the last day is going to be a leg day. Okay, and again, some core with the legs as well. And that is going to be the optimal training split. And then you're going to have an active recovery day or a rest day. So you're either going to swim at a lower intensity, or you're going to take a rest day and then you repeat. And that's your week, okay? That's the structure of the best training split for pectus. Now, this is if you are experienced, because if you don't have experience in the gym, this is going to burn you out. It's going to injure you. You're going to be overtrained and you're not going to be able to handle it. Hence why I meet every client on a strategy call first to get to know them, understand their experience, their circumstances, their pectus, and then determine the appropriate program for them and their lifestyle and their circumstances. Most people don't have the time to work out that much. And there is other optimal ways you can train with just 3 days a week or 4 days a week. So, I fit the program to the client, but if you've got all the time in the world, you've got experience in the gym already, and now you want to tailor your training towards pectus, I would say this would be the most optimal way to do it. Now, also, I do mix up my training splits in my workout programs for my clients, because the reality is there's no real best training split. It's about consistency, progressive overload, nutrition, everything. Okay, it's about the full picture. But like, if I had to give just the one training split, this would probably be it. And this is essentially what I follow. I typically work out about 5 days a week with weights, and then I have 2 days where I'm like doing just cardio, okay? And typically I don't have a full rest day, but if I need it, then I take a full rest day. I'm going to attach sneaky screenshot of one of the programs that I assigned for my client who's working out 5 days a week on this training split, so you guys can see some of the exercises that I program in this kind of training split. So it'll be a free little program for you guys to see, inserting workout 1, the pectus day, workout 2, the non-pectus day, then we have the rest active recovery day, preferably swimming, then we have the workout 3, the pull day, workout 4, the push day, and then workout 5, the leg day, and then again, an active recovery yoga cardio day, or rest day if you need it. And that's my client's training split. So there you go, there's some cheeky insight into my programs, my exercises. Now, if you want the full experience with my coaching, my guidance, the nutrition programming, the stretching routines, as well as video tutorials, me showing you every exercise and then guiding you through the process, then you should book a strategy call with me. Then I can give you the plan that's right for you, coach you through the process and get you an amazing result.